Leo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin kung ano yung blessings na parating sa inyo in the next 30 days from the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to. Dahil ito ay timeless reading. Anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo. This reading is for you. And another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. Mag-ingat sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com, o kaya mag-book na kayo directly sa aking calendar. Link on the description or comment section. Do not message me, okay? Kasi yung mga nagre-re-upload ng videos ko, yung mga fake accounts, i-message daw sila. Oo, i-check nyo yung lalo na sa TikTok, ha? Kung napapanood nyo to sa TikTok, i-check nyo yung profile kung saan nyo to napapanood. Kailangan Mr. Queen PH and nasa 70,000 followers na po yan. Okay? That's the legit one. So, let's see, Leo, what are the blessings in the next 30 days? Let's go. Oy. Okay. Merong maglalakas loob. Meron na maglalakas loob na magpahayag ng feelings towards you. So, kung meron kang potential na romantic partner, nararamdaman mo na itong taong to magpapahayag ng feelings towards you. Finally. Oo. So, yung iba naman, pwedeng may proposal dyan kung kayo ay nasa long-term relationship na pwedeng magpo-propose na yung partner mo. This can also mean an offer of business opportunities sa career. Pwedeng merong offer for business or sa work mo. Maraming competition dito, ha, pero ikaw yung mananaig. Oo. So kung ikaw sasali sa isang contest or anything like parang merong ipapakita mo yung talents or skill set mo, abilities mo, ikaw yung mananalo. Maa-awardan ka. You are very much motivated to transform your life in a better way. Ito na naman yung I don't know, maaring meron din kayong Aries energy sa inyong natal chart. Meron lang ditong makikigulo. makikigulo sa situation mo. Pwedeng meron kang, yung bang sabihin na natin na ma-insecure sa situation mo, lalo na pag, halimbawa sumali ka sa contest as nanalo ka, pwedeng i-question nila kung bakit ka nanalo, na parang bitter ba sila, ganun. But there's definitely new beginnings, new opportunities for you, especially in your work. No? The 6th house is your daily routine, your work, your office environment. So pwedeng merong promotion sa trabaho. Some of you naman, this is about your health, kalusugan nyo. Merong good news pagdating sa kalusugan. Lalo na kung isa yan sa issue ninyo. Lalo na kung merong mga heart problems, no, yung iba sa inyo, like literal na heart problems, so pwedeng maayos nyo yan. Your intuition is correct. Follow your inner wisdom without fail. Yan. So, yan yung magiging guide nyo in the next 30 days. Yung inyong instinct, yung inyong intuition, on point, no? Na kapag magdedesisyon kayo, saan ba kayo mas mapapabuti, dito ba o doon, so mapipili nyo yung best. Now is the time to get out into the world and connect in authentic ways. So, I think mas maglalakas loob ka na i-showcase yung iyong talents, your skills. Hindi ka na mahihiya. Alam nyo, sa panahon ngayon, hindi na kasi hindi na uso yung hiya-hiya. The more na mas malakas yung loob mo, confident ka, regardless, tanggap mo yung sarili mo, may authenticity, the more na mas madaling maging successful. Oo, kasi nararamdaman ng mga tao yung authenticity mo, kung confident ka ba sa sinasabi mo o hindi, 'di ba? Higher power. You are connecting to a higher power. So some of you very spiritual kayo, or you are someone na into spirituality, divination, And also, merong guidance eh. So, you are divinely guided, you are divinely protected. That's why your instinct, yung intuition mo yung nagsasabi sa'yo na, uy, ito makakabuti yan sa'yo o ito hindi. Iwasan mo yan. Okay? So, that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. See you again.